Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with brackets worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets, and here we're asked to solve equations involving brackets. Now we've seen the basic operations for solving equations in the previous video, so this is just a little extension. And we also have a lesson on this particular topic. So if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute and then I'll move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, here's the next slide. I'll also leave this one on for a minute before I move on to the last slide, but as always, you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now. And here it is.